Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Lucidchart tutorial, how to use Lucidchart for beginners. So first things first, you need to get started and create an account. So you have to go to lucidchart.com, sign in, create an account, and then this is what it looks like. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to click new or create, choose blank document, or you can also pick from their templates. Name your document, click the document title at top left and type a name. Now, here's the thing, you can also use from different templates right here, or you can use from scratch. So basically, we'll be using their template, and then we're going to add it. So let's just say if you want to try this one right here, all you have to do is to click or double tap the template. Now, here's the thing. Once you have selected a template, it will take you directly to the page. Now, you need to understand the workspace too. So basically, once you have opened the template right here, if you go to the left panel, that is where you can find shape, libraries, and so on. The center is the canvas or diagram area. Top toolbar, format, arrange, insert, share, and undo. And on the right panel, properties inspector. So basically, this is what it looks like. And if you want to add shapes and build the basic diagram, you just have to simply go to the left side, drag a shape from the left panel into the canvas. Resize by dragging the corners, move by dragging the shape, double click inside the shape to edit text. And when you want to add lines right here, it's so simple. You just have to click. So basically, you can just click at the end point of the line and then point it directly to another shape. That's how you connect things right here. So all you have to do is to just familiarize with the shapes, the lines. If you want to add text, you just have to click the T on the left side and add fonts, add text right here, words. Aside from that, there's also sticky notes or notes. You can just basically add this anywhere right here. So this is your canvas. You can do whatever you want. You can add shapes, you can add lines, you can add text if you want to. You can change the color. And then once you're done with everything right here, then you can just basically share this or publish. Or if you want to look for other templates, then basically you can use templates and shape libraries. So all you have to do is to choose a category, if it's flowchart, network, etc., and then start with creating your project. So you can also add images, icons, and data. You can do collaboration, version control, and after that, you can export. So you can download this as PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG. This is how to use Lucidchart for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.